Hi there! So, this is what we're doing every day. Linalakad namin from our dormitory to our school. And habang wala pa ang aming sensei, may sari-sariling mundo ang bawat isa. Minasan, ohayo gozaimasu. Hajimemashite.
바람이 불어온 그 밤에 꺼진했던 조각들이 난 떠올라 순간에 falling down 감추려 애썼던 마음 다들
Every day, the leader should write the date in Japanese on the whiteboard. So, like what I'm doing today, I'm writing April 14, 2023. Friday. And in Japanese, it's Kyou wa 2023年4月14日金曜日です。During our training days, we also attended the Bon Adore Festival held in BGC Taguig, wherein we experienced to dance, to join their dance. In the festival, we did also try some of the different Japanese street foods, and it's really fun.
Pwede naman silang mag
Bayuka Gretchen des, Otit Sanju Bino Kurasu de Jun Sensei no Seito des. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Saisho ni padsaidan ni hairu mae ni Nihongo ga zenzen wakarimasen deshita. Jishin ga nakute totemo kinchou shimashita. Demo yasashikute kashikoi sensei ni atte yokatta desu. Karera ga watashi no sensei ni natte kurete hontou ni kansha shite imasu. Aran sensei to Jun sensei desu. Karera ni Nihongo no yomikata to kakikata o hakkiri naraimashita. Ima Nihongo no bunkei o ikutsuka wakaru to omoimasu. Izen, sensei ga shitsumon shita toki, kore wa nan desu ka? Izen, kono shitsumon o kotairu no wa musukashikatta desu. Demo, ima wa Nihongo ga wakatte, mainichi renshū shite, kotairu koto ga dekimasu. ここで4ヶ月の勉強は楽しくなりました。私は多くのことを習いました。それに新しい友達に出会ってよかったです。ここで 日本語のクラスが終わっても日本語の勉強をまだ続けなければなりません。私は日本語についてわからないところがたくさんあると思いますから一生懸命頑張ります。パッサイダンの職員とタイフィルの職員、先生たち、いろいろお世話になりました。心から本当に感謝しています。皆様、卒業おめでとう。お疲れ様でした。
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective.